How to fix Twitter, you have exceeded the number of allowed attempts to verify your phone error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for help.twitter.com. You will land on the official page of Help Center of Twitter. Scroll down, and then you need to select Help with Locked or Limited Account. It will land you on this page. Scroll down and you'll get to see all the detailed information on how you can fix this issue. If not, you can click on Contact our support team. In here, select the problem that you have been facing. Also, you need to provide this information as well. You can select I believe my account is hacked or compromised. Once selected, it will land you on the page. Over here, you need to click on No. Now you need to fill up some of the information of your account. First of all, enter your username and then email address associated with your account. Select the last time date where you were able to access your account. Once done, choose your email address or phone number and then click on Submit. Now within 24 hours, they will analyze your account and help you to recover and verify your account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.